To open hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there are some ways that you can do. As the example, we will do so from the S Finder and from the setting menu. First, from the S Finder, to do so, go to the app screen. Tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type the name of the hidden app you like to open. If you set the S Finder to show hidden apps in the search result, you will see the hidden app icon when you type its name. If not, you can find the hidden app under settings section. Now tap the app to open it. Second, from the setting menu, to do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find app. Tap app. Find the hidden app you like to open. To find it quickly, tap the search icon at the top of the screen. Type the app name and then tap the app. Next, tap open to open the app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.